Hello friends, welcome to Saho Studies. In this video, we are going to see how sort function works in Scala. So why do we use sort function? Sort function is used to sort the data frame in ascending or descending order based on single or multiple column. So suppose you have a data frame if you want to sort the data frame based on a particular column. For example, it's a salary. With the help of sort function, you can able to sort the data frame based on the salary column. It could be descending, it could be ascending based on the these two function. And if you want, you can also sort the data frame on multiple columns. So this exercise is all about implementation of sort function. So what I am going to do in this exercise, I am just importing all the required libraries. Here I am creating a custom schema with the help of a struct type and a struct field. I am defining 6 column and their data types. How I am defining the column name and its data type. I am defining column names and its data type with the help of a struct field. That's why here there are 6 struct fields I have used to define 6 columns name and their data types. Here what I am just doing, with the help of a spark.read.csv function, I am reading a CSV file to create this data frame with the help of this custom schema. This is custom schema which we have defined here. Once this data frame gets created, I have implemented this sort function on top of this data frame. What it is doing, it is sorting based on the AP name. Here it is sort based on the AP name but in the ascending order. Here it is sorting based on the AP name but it is in the descending order. Here it is sorting based on 2 columns. One is AP name and one is AP salary. AP name is of ascending order, AP salary is of descending order. Let's discuss something about ascending and descending order. So for instance, this AP name is of string type column. If you are going to sort it in ascending order, so how it will going to sort? It will going to sort from A to Z. If it is descending order, how it will going to sort? It will going to sort from Z to A. If it is a numerical column, for instance, the salary, if we are sorting based on ascending order, so it will sort from lowest to highest. And if it is descending order, how it will going to sort? It will going to sort from highest to lowest. And once this data frame gets created, what I am just doing, I am just displaying those data frame with the help of a display function. So till the creation of the data frame by reading a CSV file, we have done multiple times in this video series. So what I am going to do, I am not going to write these codes. I will copy these codes from one of my previous exercises and I will just show you how this sort function works in Scala. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create one notebook. Name the notebook as sort and connect it with our running cluster. Let me open a notebook where I need to copy the code where we are creating a data frame based on reading a CSV file. So let me copy the code. This code will going to import all the required libraries. This will create custom schema and this will read a CSV file and create a data frame. Run it. It is taking some time. So all the required libraries are available in this notebook. Let's create the custom schema. Custom schema has been created successfully. Let's create the data frame by reading a CSV file. This data frame has been created successfully. Let's display it. See, this is the data frame which has 5 records and 6 columns. Now let's see how sort function works in Scala. Let's create a data frame. How we are going to sort? We are going to call the sort function on a data frame, and on what basis I am going to sort it? I am going to sort it based on a column known as AP. Let's run it. This data frame has been created successfully. Let's see the content. So one thing I would like to say here, this sort function, no, if you are not saying ascending or descending, so by default it will going to use ascending method to sort the data frame. So we can see this AP name is sorted by ascending order, first I, then M, then S, and last it is getting Yogyata. So let's see how it is sorting based on ascending and descending order. Here we need to put ascending. Let's run it. Okay, sorry. Let's copy this data frame. Let's display it. We can see here the AP name is sorted based on ascending order. So it is a text column. So it is sorted from A to Z. That's why I is coming first and Y is coming last. Let's sort this by descending order. Descending order. Let's rename this data frame. Run it. Now the data frame is sorted successfully and created a new data frame. Let's display the content of this data frame. We can see here this AP column is sorted based on descending way. That's why Y is coming first and I is coming last. Now AP column is ascending string type. Let's sort a column which is of integer type. So here I am just sorting based on salary. First, let's sort by ascending order. This data frame has been sorted and created a new data frame. Let's display the content of the resultant data frame. We can see this AP salary is sorted by ascending order. So first lowest value is coming and at the end highest value is coming. Let's sort it based on descending order. okay, okay, DESC. There's a typo. Now this data frame has been created. Let's display it. So now this AP salary we have sorted in descending order. So how it is organized or sorted? First highest value and then lowest value. Let's sort the data frame based on two columns. Just copy this code, paste here. First let's sort with AP name, descending way, sorry, ascending order, and then sort AP salary in descending order. Let's run it. So what it is going to do, first it will going to sort based on the AP name in the descending order, and then it will going to sort AP salary in descending order. Here AP name it will going to sort in ascending order, AP salary it will going to sort in descending order. Let's see the content. We can see first AP name is sorted with ascending order, that's why I is coming first and Y is coming last, and AP salary is sorted with a descending order, that's why first it will come to highest value and then it will come to the lowest value. So in this video we have seen how we can use sort to sort the data frame based on a particular column in ascending order as well as in the descending order. We have also seen how we can sort the data frame based on the multiple columns. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.